What's up, everyone? It's Mac. As this title states, I lost my challenge account. Now, this is Tuesday morning, so I lost my challenge account on Monday. I hadn't had a video, I don't think, since Wednesday. I tried to record one for Thursday and Friday, but something happened in it. I lost it, so I'm going to cover the last 3 days real quick right here and show how I lost this account. So this was Thursday. Thursday, I honestly should not have traded at all because I was on a field trip with my son at the zoo. So I was trading on my phone, which I've learned you can't really do trades on the phone app. So Thursday started. The opening candle was a sell. I did not take this. One, because this was previous support. This was a huge candle, and we were right here at a tree line, which thankfully I didn't take it because that definitely was a stop. Came all the way back up and engulfed the whole candle. This was a decent 21 rejection, but I was distracted, wasn't watching for it. That one probably would have been a win, but didn't take that. So for some reason, I decided to take this long. We got a neutral close above and another neutral close above. Looks like we're changing direction with this tree line as support. And high strike was actually looking for a long right here. So I took it, got decent into profit on this wick right here. I think I'm looking for 60 points to trim. I entered 746. We got 55 points in profit. Got so close to the break-even point, but didn't quite hit it. Ends up being a loss. So now we're below the 21. Now I get another sell signal. So enter this sell. We do hit the 1-to-1. Go to break even. Come back and get stopped break even. So what happened here is when I entered the sell, I don't know if my finger slipped and I closed out my take profit level and it was gone. It disappeared. So I had to manually enter a buy limit order down here to be my take profit. And like I said, using the phone, I apparently hit that limit order twice and it put 2 in there. So even though we came back to break even and it closed out my stop loss, this limit order stayed there. So I canceled it, but I only canceled one of them. And I told Alpha, I was like, look, I only saw one order sitting here and I closed that one order. Nothing else was showing. But they went back and said, nope, you still had the order active, and it took. So this was a buy order, and of course, it lost. It got another stop. So on this day, I took 2 stops, lost about $1,000. So that was it for me on Thursday. I just enjoyed the zoo trip. I just told them I was going to eat the loss. It wasn't really going to kill me. So we go to Friday. Friday, we're already in a sell at the open. There's no 21 test. It just closes right above. Don't take anything here. This is a strong candle down. Looks like we're going to keep going to this snow line. Nope. It wicks right back up and is a 60-point stop right away. The volatility is just unreal. 21 rejection right here. Another stop out. Didn't keep going. Just kept staying up. Then this sell signal gets decent into profit and shoots back up again at 11 o'clock. I don't know. I think Trump got on the mic at 11, maybe. There's been a lot of volatility with speakers. So here's 3 straight losses. And then a long. This is also a loss. So this was 4 losses today. So I'm deep in drawdown now. I didn't take this one. This was just like a test to see what would happen. It definitely would have been a loss as well, because this was absolutely a washout candle going up. So I've only got like a few losses left. So I'm like, all right, let's just go into Monday, see what's going to happen. So we're going to buy, break below, strong sell, pull back. This is the kind of candle we want. This is an up candle, but it's a sell signal. We got enough room up to above the 21 to take. We keep getting bad fills. I think it should have been like around 91, 92. I got filled at like 84, 50, 86. Didn't quite hit the 1-to-1. Came close. Of course, this candle shoots up and is a stop out. So I'm really upset now. And this trade, I know I shouldn't have taken because this is the first candle to close below the 21, which was also a sell. But, psychology got me. I took it anyway. It's another stop out. So I'm on my last leg. I've got one more good trade left. I don't take this one because it's after 11, which, looking back, if I did my 60-point stop, this was going to be a winner, of course. That's just my luck. 21 rejection, another loss. And this one I took with half as much. I took a smaller stop. So now I'm literally on my last trade. This is a sell right here before 1 o'clock. And something happened at 1. Waller from the FOMC got on the mic to speak and shot up. How big was this candle? From 786 to 9. This is like a 150-point candle shooting up and wicked back down. And it didn't come below this anyway. It would have been a loss anyway. So at this point, my account is like dead. I lost like so many trades in a row. And they weren't all bad trades. Like this one was bad. That was not a strong rejection. The squeeze was coming up. That was a bad trade. A couple others. Thursday, that was like an error on entries. So that was a bad trade. So I lost this account, this challenge. So for Tuesday, the 15th, I'm starting a new one. I'm about to go purchase it from Alpha right now. I'm probably not taking these 21 tests anymore because they are not as strong as the signals straight up. And I'm hoping we get back to regular volatility again, so I'm not having to do these 60-point stops, 120 tests, because I think if I had done the 30 and 30, like this one at least been a break even. This one would have been a break even, not a loss. This was just a disaster. I don't know what this was. I think Fed speakers need to be high impact news when they come on. But yeah, we're going into Tuesday morning now. I'm about to go buy another challenge, starting all over. Same strategy, same order entries. Just going to try to avoid all these losses. So stick with me. We'll get there. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to follow for more. Catch you later.